Mussette here, and today I'm going to show you guys how I do my 2 feed-in braids, which I just took out because I needed to take them out. It's been a few days and my hair was getting a little bit too curly to keep them in the same braid, so I thought that I should do it over again, but this time just film it for you guys. And I actually filmed this video before a couple months ago, but I thought I would do an updated version because I learned how to do it better. I looked at some other tutorials and I was like, okay, maybe I wasn't doing it the way that it's the easiest, and I found a solution that's easier for me to actually do the feed-in braid. So one of the first things that I like to do is just wet the hair, and I've actually found this water mister that a lot of people on Instagram have been using, and if they're too stuck up to tell you where they got it from, I'll be the one to tell you that I got it from Sally's for $8.99, girl. So I'm just gonna go in here and mist my hair up so that it's kind of damp. I don't want it too wet because it's gonna get curly. I'm gonna take a conditioner because the ends of my hair is feeling a little bit dry, and this is the conditioner I use often. Shoot for my niggas like bullet. Shoot for my niggas like bullet. Ice tray on nigga flooded. Ice, ice, ice. If a nigga hated, call him Joe Budden. I wish my hair was actually like this because this afro, girl, it's too thick. Next, I'm just gonna go in with this jam on my roots. Even though it can make your hair a little bit oily, it's just like, it gives that extra hold, because as I did my braids the same day I went fishing, guys, and literally my hair was messed up right after fishing. Like, these did not hold up because I did not apply the gel to the roots like I was supposed to, and everything was flying away. Like, the wind snatched my edges and it snatched my flyaways and my weave. It said nope, boop. I'm gonna take a small section of hair that is not small at all. Take like a little baby piece, and then you're gonna section this into the braid sections. And then you're gonna braid your natural hair first. You're never gonna like wanna add weave in the first 2 seconds of braiding. So braid that, grab hair now. Okay, gonna braid that up a little bit. And now when I get to about 4 braids in, I'm gonna add hair. So I'm adding some braiding hair. I'm using 1 pack of hair right now just to see how it goes. But I also separated them or section them out so that all the sections of hair that I'm using are equivalent to how thick my hair is. So just watch. If you haven't learned how to do this yet, just watch and see how thick the pieces get later on in the video, and you'll understand why I can't multitask. But just keep adding in hair. Ice tray on nigga flooded. Ice, ice, ice. If a nigga hated, call him Joe Budden. Cool outside and his press buttons. Got that nigga mad cause your bitch fucking. Fuck it. Straight again. Ice straight again. Ice straight again. Ice straight again. Fuck it. Ice straight again. Ice straight again. Ice straight again. So basically what you're doing is just putting it under the finger that's grabbing hair, and then the hair on top of that, you're just adding the other section of hair on and just continue it. And it's really that simple. It's not that hard. Smoke.
get to like the ear section, you're just gonna add in one more big section of hair, and then you're just gonna continue braiding down without adding in any more hair. So after you braid, you should see like a little bit of flyaways, and if you have curly hair like me and you didn't you know, blow dry or flat iron your hair, you're gonna have a little bit of leave out, or whatever you want to call it, flyaways. So the easiest thing to do is just take some gel. So I'm taking a little bit of the jam, and I'm just going to press this down on the braid. And it's not, in my case, it doesn't really matter because mine are going to be in little buns anyways, so I didn't really care how long or thick the braids came out to be. Make sure you have bobby pins, number one. Make sure you have, you know, some type of pin to put in your hair. Take the hair and just wrap it around itself. So take the hair and go into a little bun and twist it around. And I'm going clockwise. And so when you get to the back, you're just gonna keep doing this. And there's your little bun. So I'm going to do the other side, and then I'm going to add some jewels to both of them. So I'm just gonna add 2 to each side. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna do a quick little, I'm out of focus. I'm gonna do a quick little 360 for you guys so that you can see what the final result is. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.